Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I was looking for some really nice fresh scents that I could burn in my home this season, but I really didn't want to burn a traditional candle. This beautiful scent warmer from Enaroma is really so pretty. It's really surprised me with how well that it works and all of its wonderful features. The scent warmer is made out of ceramic at the bottom, and you cannot get into the bottom part, but it has a beautiful LED light that glows while you're burning your scents. It has a timer function, and you can see the button for the light there, so you can make this burn for non-stop and then even up to 8 hours of burn time. And when I say burn, I only mean that it's gently warming up your tarts. The coolest part of this is I remember having tart warmers in the past, and you always had to dig out the old tarts. No more digging them out thanks to this awesome, really cool, simple idea, and that's to put a silicone top. And so when you're done burning your tarts, all you have to do is just pop it out. It's so easy. There's nothing left on the silicone after you take it out. So no more digging with your knife, but rather it's nice and ready if you want to go right from one scent to the other. The device is nice and pretty while you're using it, and you will really notice the gentle scent that comes out of your warmer. It really burns so well. It has a nice long generous cord so that you could place it anywhere around the home that you'd like. If you're looking for beautiful scents in your home without all of the burn time that comes from candles or from any soot, then you need to check out this scent warmer. You'll be so pleasantly surprised by how beautiful it is. And that's my point of view.